Right now, people are making thousands of dollars using AI image generators, and Google just dropped one of the fastest, lightest, and most creator-friendly models yet. Yet Nano Banana. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn AI images into money, whether you're a beginner or a pro. No fluff. So let's jump into it. First things first. Here's a quick rundown on what is Nano Banana. It's Google's on-service AI image generator. It's built to be lightweight, meaning you can run it on your laptop or even your phone. Fast, private, and super optimized. Unlike cloud models, Nano Banana is made for UGC, user generated content. So, if you're creating thumbnails, posters, designs, or even digital art, this tool makes it way easier and faster. So, here's the top 5 way on how you can make big money. I'm not talking about the pennies. I'm talking about the big money with Nano Banana. So, first one is thumbnails for YouTube creators. Believe me or not, YouTubers spend countless hours just to create one thumbnail. But with Nano Banana, you can generate cinematic clickable thumbnails in minute. If you can master this in AI generation, AI thumbnail generation perfectly, you can simply charge from anywhere around $20 to even $80. We can see these thumbnails. You can easily recreate these type of thumbnails on and simply directly, if you don't want to go on freelance, simply directly pitch to YouTubers. Thumbnails equals clicks and clicks equal to money. This is an evergreen market. So the second big money option is print on demand. You can use Nano Banana to generate unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, wall arts, stickers, and after that uploading them to Redbubble, Etsy, or even Amazon merch. As you can see, this simple speaker, this is also made with some an AI is selling $4 a piece and very wet. And he literally sold 1,100,000 plus. If you do a little math, he literally sold more than $500, 500,000. Literally, this simple sticker can be sold this much. So imagine what you can generate with an AI model. That's so as you can see, I have just simply screenshot and asked AI to create prompt for these flowers, and simply I just paste it right here, and voila. As you can see, it's it hasn't exactly innate that one, but it's even better. And even I can have more generations just like this. So original art sells, and this AI lets you create hundreds of designs daily. It's a number game. The more you post, the more passive income you build. Okay. The third option, which is stock photos and assets. Stock marketplace needs high quality AI images. Websites like, as you can see, there are no great images that's generated with AI. These are some basic, simple images that can be generated in minutes. And even we can, as you can see, here are some great AI images. It has turned the photo into video. I can literally tell by looking at it. As you can see, here are some good AI generated image. Simply you can screenshot this. If you don't have any, creative idea to generate with AI, simply screenshot this and make variations, hundreds, 50 of variations of this, and simply you you can upload them directly into this website. And businesses are always looking for illustrations, icons, textures, mock-up, and once your images are live, you keep earning royalties again and again. So fourth is social media branding. You can sell AI generated content packs like Instagram's post templates, banner art, story backgrounds. Entrepreneurs, quotes, small businesses, they all need daily content. You need You can make it once and sell it like 100 times. That's scalable money. And as you can see, if you can at first, if you can master the prompting at first, it's literally unlimited money. As you can this one social media post, three template cost $207. Six cost 243, and the final one, nine templates, 278 $79. And let's see how much he had sold. She has around 2,000 sales. If you do all in maths, only the basic one, 207. That's how much she sold to this. Host, only this post style to cheaper. Can you even imagine how money glitch this is? How you can make literally hundreds of thousands from these types of sale, and you don't even have to sell on Etsy. Simply come to Instagram and search for business owners, finance related or health niche, whatever. Be as niche specific as possible. So it will be easy for you. And here's how to stand out. And here's the difference between making pennies and making real men. All your prompts. Anyone can type dog in sunglasses. You need to think like an artist or marketer. Your prompt should be like cinematic close up of cyberpunk dog in neon Tokyo, dramatic lighting, ultra detailed. Now let's see what it can make. And literally it says just a second. And to be honest, it literally takes just a few seconds to delete this. And done. It's done. That's not just an image. That's merch ready art. Nano Banana responds best to creative cinematic prompts, and the more specific, the more valuable your work becomes. Listen, this is bigger than just another AI tool. Nano Banana is part of a wave, the kind of wave that separates people who watch history happens from the people who make history happen. Right now, there are creators out there using AI to pay their bills, quit their job, launch brands, even hit six figures. And most people, they're still scrolling, still doubting, still waiting for the right time. But let me be blunt, the right time never shows up. The people who wins are the ones who start before everyone else figures it out. So, my challenge to you, do not just click away from this video and forget what you learned. Take one of these plays, pick one niche, and actually launch something this week. Generate your first 220 thumbnails, or even upload your first 10 pod designs. Build your first branding kit, because once you see that first dollar hit your account from work you made with AI, you'll never look at money the same again. And if you're the kind of person who does not just want to watch from the sidelines, but actually wants to build wealth in this AI era, then subscribe right now, because my next video, I'm not just talking to you. I'm running I'm running some live demos using Nano Banana. So the tools are here, the opportunities are here. The only question is, are you ready to use them? This is your sign. Don't waste it. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next